What if I told you an AI could cut down your editing time by hours? In this video, I'm testing Higgsfield AI, a tool that can help make your edits even better. I'll show you what actually works and what you can create using this AI. As you can see, Higgsfield offers multiple AI tools, from image generation to video creation. Everything is here. But first I will show you, these image tools is designed to help creators generate visuals. Click on Create Image. Choose your AI model and set your image ratio. The process is simple. Just write your prompt. Like, I want that Maki wear Spider-Man clothes. After that, add image and click Generate. Now, within a few seconds, the AI processes it. Now it's done, and you can see it's really accurate. This makes it really useful for quick creative experiments and visual ideas, so creators can choose the one that fits their needs. Now let me show you how you can change your image angle using this AI tool. First, upload your image. Now choose the camera angle you want. And just click Generate. As you can see, the result looks really clean and natural. Next, let me show you how to add lighting to a dull image. Open the Relight tool and upload your photo. Now choose the light direction. For example, I want the light coming from the right side. Click Generate, and you can clearly see the difference. The image looks more sharp and eye-catchy. Now let me show you Cinema Studio. This tool literally lets you create your own movie or anime. Just upload an image, type your prompt, and it turns into a full animation. And just look at this, the result looks crazy good. Now let me show you how to create anime using Cinema Studio. First, choose video mode. Then add your start frame and end frame like this. I usually generate 3 versions, so I can pick the best one. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. As you can see, I generated 3 clips, so now I can pick the best one. Then add your photos one by one. After that, open CapCut and arrange the clips properly.
何を 構造を人質にする。
So yeah, that's how you can use Higgsfield AI, and there's a lot more you can experiment with. If you want to try it yourself, the link in the description below.